Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LED with STM32F1. For writing this code we are using Arduino IDE. This is my STM32F1 board and this is the pin diagram. STM32F1. These are the GPIO pins in the blue color, 2I2C in orange, in this color, red or color. These are the UART port in yellow color, SPI in green color, 2 SPI are there. These are the analog pins are there. These are the pin diagram of STM32F1. These are the CAN pin. Okay, these are the for 3.3 volt ground and for VCC for 5 volt. This is these 3.3 volt. These two are the ground pin. Okay, so now open Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. Okay, this is my Arduino IDE. Go to the file. First go to the preference, then copy this link for STM32F1. After that OK this link. Okay, after that OK, then go to the tools, then go board, then board manager. After copy board, go to the board manager, then write STM32F1. Okay, this one. After that install this option. Already installed in my software, in my system. So after that close. This is my code. Code is same as the Arduino code. This is for the LED. We are using LED. We are using P13 LED. Means connection is like this one. This one. This is my microcontroller STM32F1 and this is my LED part. LED is connected with VCC. Sorry, anode part is connected with controller and cathode part is connected with ground. It means you have to give 1 for on and 0 for off. Connected with P13 pin. P13 pin. This is a pin mode. This pin is work as an output because LED is an output device. So we have to first make this pin is a output pin. This is my output device, not an input device. Okay. After that, in void loop means this code operate infinite times. After that LED, this one means P13 pin high. This is the delay function for 1 second. Then low, then on, then off, then on, then off. This program operate infinite times. Same as after that go to the upload option, compilation. Compilation there. Compiling Scratch. Compiling it. Same as Arduino board. Okay. Then this is compilation Scratch. Take time. Before compiling you have to select it board. Yeah, board is selected. Okay, STM32F1 103C. This board is there. Okay, sorry. This one you have to select it. Done compiling. This this is our code is compiled. Then with the help of this one we have to upload this code to the hardware. Okay, for hardware implementation is given in my next video and link is given in the comment box. Thank you.